Hello, lecturers. I'm Tan Kaiji, and I'm from BIB. Today, I'm gonna share about the topic of leveraging AI in talent acquisition. So, what are the three key findings? We found that the HR professionals hesitate to adopt AI tools, and also one of the very good solutions, very good models, 10 models to show perceived usefulness and ease of use effect adoptions. And third, the lack of structures, framework, and strategic alignment. So, what are the current trend? Number one, increase in the use of AI tools, for example, chatbots. It helps to automate repetitive tasks and speed up hiring processes. Number two, data-driven decisions. Make evidence-based on hiring and retention decision. Three, bias mitigating efforts. Reduce on unconscious bias in recruitment. And last but not least, number four, AI for employees retentions to help identify disengaged employees and predict turnover risks. So we'll be using the fishbone analysis to talk about the challenges, the root causes, and some of the key findings that we found. So with that, the main problem, the core challenges that we have found out is low adoptions for AI recruitment. So what are these three six factors that are related to the low adoptions for AI in recruitment? First, people. Second, technology. Third, process. Fourth, perceived value. Five, trainings, and number six, leadership strategy. So going back to the first one, HR staff, they are lacking of AI related skills because they are not from AI background, I believe, and they are fear of job replacement as well. So they're resistant to change. Number two, technology. Sometimes AI can be very complex. So there will be a lot of complex AI tools as well. And sometimes not everyone are very good on the poor usage interface as well as inability to access soft skills. Number three, process. Sometimes the HR are lacking of the integrations with existing workflows and also ad hoc adoptions without strategy. And third, leadership strategy. Okay, so maybe on the top management support is very weak and there's no long-term digital HR decisions. Number five, training, limited exposure to AI system because they might have limited trainings as well. So no structured trainings program. And last but not least, perceived value. Unclear benefits and high cost versus ROI concern because people might be paying a lot, but the ROI that they are getting is not as much as they have expected. So it's high cost and lesser ROI concern. And last is fear of bias decision. All right. So who will be impacted? So what will be impacted on the shareholders? The first, potential employees. Benefits is what? Fairer and faster recruitment process. Number two, HR teams is gaining efficiency and analytical capabilities, but not rescaling to manage AI tools efficiently. Number three, organizing. So organizations in organizing is what? By improving the employees' branding, reducing hiring costs, and gaining a competitive edge through better talent alignment. Okay, so what are the recommendations that we will provide? We will definitely provide the TAM, Technology Acceptance Model. This TAM models is quite frequent used by many of the companies. Okay, so what is the purpose of these TAM models? Companies who have not include or decide to use AI or related online tools, AI tools in their company, they will use these 10 models to identify if the AI is what they want. And after using the AI, is it what the company needs? Because they didn't want to waste any cost on AI. If without AI, the things can be done. But with AI, we believe that AI can done things efficient, faster, easier, more standardized. Everything will be easier. So with this flow chart, I would like to show from the right to the left. Okay, from the right to the left. From the right, actual use. So what is actual use? For example, what is the actual purpose that you would want to get after using the technology? Okay, and going backwards, behavioral intentions. What is that? Is it something that you really want? okay, and the attitude to use. Is it okay for the employees or the people in the management or in the organizations to use? So there are two things to qualify. First one, perceived ease to use, meaning is it easy to use? Is it accessible? Do they have anything that is wrong? So it's perceived ease to use. Second, perceived usefulness. Is it useful for them in the company to get what they want? So it's very important point. So how these 10 models can help? Okay, let's look into short term, medium term, and long term. Short term is from 0 months to 6 months. So by conducting trainings workshops to improve HR staff's familiarity on the AI tools and also with pilot projects so they can build confidence and collect enough data. Second, medium terms from 6 months to 18 months. By developing successful metrics, it will help to demonstrate AI some usefulness and also create cross-functional teams to oversee AI integrations across departments. So we know that within companies to companies, there are a lot of departments. And last but not least, long term, 18 months to 5 years. So aligning AI recruitment tools with organizational strategy and workforce planning, also fostering a culture of digital alignment and continuous improvement within HR function. Last but not least, what are the four call of actions? One, embrace digital mindsets. Okay, for HR leaders to also support openness to new technology. Second, start with users. So 10 models is to evaluate real employees' perceptions and focusing on preserve usefulness and ease of use before launching any HR technology. And also collaborations across functions. HR must also partner with IT, data teams, and business units to drive meaningful adoptions and alignment. Last but not least, lead with purpose. Future ready HR is not just about tools, but also about people first. Technology enabled transformation. And that's all from me. Thank you.